Good afternoon, everyone. I am Akshat Kochak, and today my topic is transmission. So, basically, transmission is transfer of data from one device to another device. So, the topics which we are covering today are guided transmission media, twisted pair, coaxial pair, and the fiber optics. Talking about transmission, so the sending of data from one device to another is called transmission of data. We use various methods, like we use USB cables to transfer files from our phone to our desktop or laptop. We use Bluetooth, and this is a wireless way. Next, we use some medium to transmit some data. So the medium which we use to transmit the data is known as media, and the transmission of data through medium is called as transmission media. So transmission media are of two types: guided or wired media and unguided or wireless media. Now talking about guided media, so in today's video I will only talking about guided media. So guided media provides a conduit from one device to another. Basically, it helps to transfer data. So it includes twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and fiber optic cable. A signal traveling along any of these media is directed and contained by the physical limits of the medium. So easy to understand that if we are transferring some medium, if we are transferring some data, so we have to use some medium, and it can only transfer as per its limits. Talking about the guided media, there are three types of guided media: twisted pair, coaxial pair, and the fiber optics. Talking about the twisted pair, so a twisted pair consists of two conductors. Normally we use copper wires, so each with its own plastic insulation twisted together. One of these wire is used to carry signals to receiver, and other is used only as a ground reference. So it will be easy if I explain this to you by this diagram. So here's the main wire, or we can say it a mother wire, and the mother wire, inside mother wire there are 8 more wires which are twisted in the pair of 2. So this is the example of twisted pair, and this is a Ethernet cable which we use for our internet connection. Going towards the coaxial pair, so coaxial cable or coax is a type of electrical cable consisting of a inner conductor surrounded by a concentric conducting shield with the two separated by a dielectric. Many coaxial cables also have protective outer sheath or jacket. So basically, it is telling that coaxial cable is a cable in which the inner conductor, the main conductor, is centered and is surrounded by different layers, and some cables are also surrounded by insulators so that it cannot harm us. So these are some examples that this we use for our TV cables, and these we use also for TV, but it basically used in the for video or audios. These are also used in speakers. Moving towards the fiber optics. So fiber optics is a cable made up of glass or plastic, and it transmits signals in form of light. As the light travels in straight line, as long as it is moving through a single uniform substance. If a ray of light traveling through one substance suddenly enters another substance, then the ray changes the direction. So it is telling that the fiber optic cable is made of glass or plastic, and it transmit the signal in form of light. So as the light travels in the unidirectional, it is unidirectional and form in a single direction. And uh, uh, if a light emitting from a substance goes into another substance, then it changes its direction. So these are the uh, fiber optics, these two examples of fiber optics. So that was it from my side, and this is the reference where I got all this data. These are link of that, and Thank you.